Hello everyone, welcome to the general informations. So today's video is very special. Many of you knows about a very popular character of Marvel Cinematic Universe, Tony Stark. As you know, he has so many devices, equipments and technology, and each and every device is very smart and intelligent. Today in this video, I will show you how you can make your Android phone smarter like him, intelligent like him. So watch my full video and find it out how you can enable this smart hidden feature in your smartphone. Okay, let's see how you can do this. First of all, open the Play Store on your phone and search this keyword MacDroid and download this application. I have already downloaded it and look at the reviews. It is 4.3 and it is a very good application. Now let's open the application. This is the introduction of the applications. You can see and this much things you can do with it. Now we have to go to the add macros. Here you can automate your device. Now I'm selecting applications. When application is launched, this activity should be performed. You can do this with any other thing. There are so many options out there. I'm selecting the YouTube application, giving the permission of accessibility and the permission given. Now it's time to set up an action. What will gonna happen when I open the YouTube? So I am setting this screen rotation. So whenever I open the YouTube, my screen should be in a landscape mode. Okay, let me show you. Let's give the name to this macro. You can give any name, it doesn't matter. Save this macro. It is already enabled. You can see on the right top corner it is enabled. Now let's open the YouTube. It's opening. And you can see my device turned to the landscape mode automatically. There are so many features. You can use any of the features of this application. Yeah, but there are some features which require rooted device. If you have rooted device, you can enjoy all the features. If you found something interesting in this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment me down what's new for you.